This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warm the vehicle to normal operating temperature, which will allow the engine oil to drain better. Pull the hood latch inside the vehicle, then slide the hood release lever and raise the hood upward. With the engine oil warm, raise the front of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the under-vehicle splash shield if equipped, then place a drain pan underneath the oil drain plug. Being careful not to touch any of the hot exhaust components, use a wrench to remove the drain plug at the bottom of the oil pan. Wearing protective gloves is highly recommended when loosening the plug. Allow the used oil to drain into the pan. Remove the oil filler cap to allow the oil to flow more easily. After all the oil is drained, wipe off the drain plug and the area around the drain plug opening with a clean rag. Then install the drain plug. Tighten the drain plug securely. Install the under-vehicle splash shield if equipped, then safely lower the vehicle. Under the hood, loosen the hose clamps and remove the intake component that may block access to the canister-type oil filter. Unscrew the oil filter cap and withdraw it, together with the element. Remove the old filter element and O-ring from the filter cap. Install a new O-ring onto the filter cap, then install the new element. Make sure the new element has a new O-ring installed on it too. Insert the filter element and cap into the housing. Screw on the cap, then tighten it securely. Install the intake component onto the throttle body and intake tube. Tighten the hose clamps securely. Add the proper amount of specified oil to the engine. Then wait a few minutes for the oil to drain into the bottom of the pan.